Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. I can't believe me I said Vlogmas day 1 already. Like, it's just quick to me. Vlogmas day 1 kind of starts off with bad lighting because I still don't have a ring light for myself. Yeah, so may I use just a little light like them, and enough of them type of stuff here for when I'm filming movie and stuff like that. So may I struggle with it. Hold on, see with me. So we're gonna try to turn it up. Oh yeah, ooh, okay. I'm trying to turn it up. I don't know if it better, but I could just work with it. I promise tomorrow I'm going to get a ring light. I really need it. I can't go through Vlogmas without a ring light. Awesome. But yeah, welcome to Vlogmas day 1. And in Vlogmas day 1, we're gonna kick it off with a grocery haul. So I went grocery shopping today at the Wholesale. So I did a video like this already, but cannot bother, you know, I probably could have just continued without the light, right guys? Because this light is stressing me out. The light really has stressed me out. What did I do? The battery dead? I think the battery is dead. Backside. Wait, no. We can't use purple film in the video. Oh, this man. Stress out, guys.
That depends on 1 bar.
1 bar?
Yeah.
That means you got it for me?
Yes.
Alright. We can't make it work. If it turn off, it just turn off. But yeah, as I was saying, we're gonna kick it off with a grocery haul. You see what nearby stuff for the month? I normally start back from scratch because I don't play about food, guys, and that's just the truth. I'm not stingy, but life is very hard and things really expensive. I'm gonna play about food, I'm gonna waste food. So if I know I'm not going to use it, I don't buy it. So I normally dip on my last pound of flour, my last pound of rice, my last mackerel, my last chicken in the fridge, my last everything, because I ensure say everything done and then I stock up again. Probably when we have kids that are gonna change, but for now me and Jace really understand and we tough it out. Like, even when something left back where we don't really feel for, we eat it because we're gonna do with it. We can't do nothing with it, we have to eat it. So and guys, I'm gonna keep them vlogs here real as possible. Vlogmas gonna be realistic. So I'm gonna try my best for like edit down the video and cut them out, because that's what I normally do. And when I always cuss me like, Angel, we need longer videos, and majority of the times I have like 50 minutes 45 minutes on the timeline, and then I cut it down to 15. So I'm going to give you guys the lengthy video so you guys can have something to watch. Remember to interact with me in the comment section, and you know, I could just chit chat. So I go at the market today, I go at the Wholesale today, and I got everything that I went for. No, this grocery haul might not look like your grocery haul, but I buy things based on how we eating at the house here. So I got the markets, I got the supermarkets, and we're gonna go through the stuff them. We're gonna go through the price. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna go through the price because I can't remember everything. But one thing though, I remember the market things them, because market things expensive. Because sure the things them I wanna go guess and tell me how much you think everything comes to and if it worth it. No, if nobody comes in the comment in the comment section and say no, it not worth it, me can't understand, because things get really expensive. Where you could have pick up for 15 grand, that not happen again. When what back then, if you compare where you used to get for 15 grand and now, Jaja, we need a farm. No, fun and joke aside, we need a farm. One hour wait, man. Forgot plant 2 little things and offer me something, cause this ridiculous. But yeah, let us get right into it. Marketing. So I got some ackee. I think the lady said it's a 3 dozen. This look like 3 dozen, guys. So that's are the Aki. Pantry. And I love to shop in the market, guys, because the thing them always lush. I got some tangerine. I got some tomato. $500 a pound for tomato. Hey, I don't want to laugh, you know. But if I don't laugh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, and did I mention this gonna last for a month? We're gonna top up back like on market stuff, like, you know, more cabbage and them stuff there. But in regards to like rice and flour and them there, that gonna last way. And the next shopping what I'm gonna do is just a little shopping. Is just to get like the meat stuff for Christmas. Like, I don't know what me I do yet. I don't know what me I cook for Christmas dinner yet, but I know say me I do gungo peas, and I bought the gungo peas today. And I'm gonna make some more sorrel. Lucy gave me some sorrel, but I know so that now I'm gonna reach down at December. Why? It's a go done. So them the little things that I'm gonna top up on. This will last us, cause as I say, we don't waste food in this house. Cover dish in the fridge for kill, because nothing always. Just so. Got some green plantain, some sweet corn. I'll put up the bag, guys, because I keep on a bend. Some ginger, because I'm gonna make some more sorrel. I have some already, so I just do a little top up. Red plantain, Irish potato, my favorite ground provision, dasheen, carrot, cucumber, pumpkin. Is so pretty. The pumpkin here pretty bad. I hope it tastes as nice as it looks. I love shopping at the market, guys. Oh God, I just find joy in doing that. Some scotch bonnet. Yeah. Onion. Wait, what else did I $500 a pound? Something else that I bought was $500 a pound. Anyway, onion. And I get my gungo all ready. As me say, I do not hosting. I don't know it. So I always go like me make decision before time, and then when the day comes, I say, oh, come over, because I don't know. I love cook my food and share now. But gungo, dry gungo. Comment below and let me know which one I prefer, you know, no gungo rice and peas. Gungo rice. Gungo rice and peas. Gungo peas and rice. Which one do you prefer for cook? The cook. Which one do you prefer? The green one in the rice or the dry one? Cause I don't know. I'm like either here nor there for me. So the light gone. It dead now. I'm not go for no more dressy stuff. So that's it. I already have some scallion, and I'm not buy no sweet pepper because I'm gonna ask Lucy if him have no sweet pepper, and then I'll get it from him. So that's that for the market bag. I'm just gonna pack them back in the bag for just get the space up here. So give me a second. Oh, now, you know what? Now I'm gonna be lazy. I go, oh, you remember this? I love it. So I'm gonna put this tangerine them in it, because that's I really want to get it for. But this time I'm gonna put like some washcloth and stuff in there, but really and truly, this is a vibe. Would I eat one of that right now? But I know it's a go mess up my stomach. I'm telling you the time. 8:52. As me reach home, I just bed and say me I come to the video here. Alright, so for the house now, I got a bread. This supposed to be 3 bulla, ginger bulla. I see them didn't have pineapple bulla, but I don't know how I feel about pineapple bulla. So I just set the ginger bulla. Somewhere in the box, one more there. Just take up some Toco Loco. Normally I put them here in the fridge and them last for a long time. Get some bun. So 6 bun. The box pack away. So I'm gonna see everything. I get 3 of them here. I think almost everybody in Jamaica buy them here when them go supermarket. Comment and let me know. Them here nice. Nice to get something to snack on. Crackers. 3 of them. Normally I would pick up cinnamon, but I don't know how it suits me. Baking soda. This for the the next box. As I tell you, the box kind of pack away, but baking soda, banana chips. Look at the rest of the bun them here. As I said, 6 of them, and the next bowl of pasta. You know what? You know which meal me love these days? With pasta, saltfish. Tastes so good. You can use the spaghetti type, still pasta, and then you fry it up with the saltfish, really nice. So guys, let me tell you, I normally mix up my food. Like I try different stuff. So I don't know, I don't get bored of the things that I eat. For me though, I normally just stick to chicken. And what else me stick to? Chicken, liver, fish. What's the chicken, liver, and fish we normally buy? Soon get to that though. Milk. As me did I tell you, so normally when me eat stuff, it burn my stomach. So if me not drink little Daika or little, you know, medicine for like ease the stomach burn or whatever, I would drink some milk. So me I try the almond milk here. So I buy that. I don't normally buy this, to be honest. So I buy that. This feel like so I buy 2 of them here. Cause just OD with them here when you might use them. It's nice. The sweet and spicy, the great sweet and spicy. 2 of them. So even if you eat food and you run with a gravy, that's good for add on it. When you know the festivities soon start with the whole heap of season and stuff, so I buy Ziploc bag. I don't normally buy this, but I buy it now. I buy it every now and then. Like them serve for a long time when I buy it, but a 15 coming at this. I never did have any, so I get this. Brownie. The next banana chips, as I'm telling you, plastics. So we just go through it fast, because we don't want to keep up no unnecessary time. I just chatting out, you know. Oh, mackerel. So I get 6 of them. So 6 mackerel, somewhere down there, 2 more did there. Some of them here. Them here for me. If you know, you know. But yeah, some cranberry juice, just 3 of them. A bottle of syrup. So this, we don't normally top up on this. This lasts for the month, because what we normally do is mix it in a jug and then squeeze lime in it. So when it's fresh, not really fresh, insipid fresh, but when it's fresh and have lime in it and cool, it's refreshing. So normally the jug would have the jug for like a week. Ketchup, cooking oil. Cooking oil lasts more than a month. Vinegar normally lasts more than a month. The ketchup normally lasts more than a month too. Milo. Two big vanilla lasco, because vanilla lasco and cornflakes are the best combo ever. Comment in the comment section if you agree. So some chiffon butter at first me ever buy that size here. Now me buy it because today is just the starting of December and me gonna need it for like cook for Christmas plus in between, and also me probably the 1 and 2 look baking, so just get the big one and done. Flour, rice. We have rice, so we just top up on rice. We have rice already. Sugar, saltfish. So the wholesale when I shop them normally have some saltfish tie out, so you just gotta go pick the one you like, and I didn't like this. So I have saltfish. Peas. So this type and this type. Guys, we soon finish with the box here. So the rest of the mackerel, as me detail in says 6. Some tin milk for porridge. I think I 3 of them alone me take up. Them here I normally just like peanut punch. I like peanut punch. So 3 peanut punch and 3 corned beef. 3 corned beef. So when I have much thin stuff, because my mama telling you what the thin stuff do with stomach. And the rest of the Toco Loco, I think I just 12 Toco Loco alone. So when I go crazy for snack and stuff like that. Nowadays, I rather for cook than have the snack. I rather for cook because you can always have the food in the fridge. You always have the food in the fridge. You can't go eat back. So just the 6 banana chips, the 12 Toco Loco, the 6 bun, the 3 bulla. That's it for snacks. And you know them they got done before the month, and when it's done, no more snack. Some black pepper. I love them black pepper here. Oh, I need to take up some sardine. Them sardine here nice. I love them sardine here. Them here are the boneless sardine in hot pepper. I love them. Because the next one, it does have too much something for clean out, and if my mistake I left the egg in it, my God, come like, Oh, so one next baking soda here. So I buy 2. I buy 2. Because that don't really serve no time in the house. And them here, I have to put in a 1 punch when I plan to make supper gen. So sometimes we buy supper gen, sometimes, just sometimes, but for now, I need it for 1 punch for when I gonna make during Vlogmas. I'm not sure which day in a Vlogmas, but I'm gonna make 1 punch. You guys will see. So I didn't need the supper gen. See the one of the Toco Loco here, and one of the milk. So 3 milk. So 3 corned beef, 3 milk, 6 mackerel, 3 sardine. That's it for the tin stuff. Oh, and the sausage. Now the sausage I'm enough for me. The sausage I'm enough for we don't really eat sausage, but I feel like when the kids them come over, then we eat the sausage. Whew, we need the space. But I just want to run through that video here quick. The toiletries box. Alright. So as I did mention, I get the 2 baking soda, some tissue. I think I 90 some I pick up. So some tissue. And this is the tissue I like. Look at tissue here. 1 toothpaste. 12 paper, because as I said, them here will come in handy. We're going to need them here soon. Some sponge. 3 of them. tea bag. Love the tea bag here, the peppermint. Love it, it's nice. Stuff for wash plate. Let me tell you now. When I remember me saying in the video earlier, say normally when me at the grocery shopping, it might look like me unbox a lot of stuff because me make the house run down first. Me show you me I talk about. Never have no dishwashing liquid, only one use did left in it. Now this study, you know, so don't judge me. Just some girl stuff. Me gotta take out the girl stuff. Wanna know the whole female thing. Something to clean because I realized that the bleacher stripped my hands. Some gloves for clean. The rest of the sponge. Pack of wipes. The little fabulous here. I'm not really fool around them something there again because me use the warm water and the vinegar to wipe out the house and it works well. Look at air freshener. Love this one. One pack of this, a matter of fact. Some insect spray. Can't do without that. Some Lysol wipes. And of course, we did have to get my carbolic soap. You know, so me I get old and me get excited for them little stuff here, you know. And I got 3 of these. This nice. So the one I'm in the house, no other flavor here. Really nice. This one is nice. But me I tried that one here now for the first time. I have this change out. But now I'm gonna do it tonight because let me tell you another time now. 9:09. And then I have them for packing after. Lord have mercy. I'm not gonna get no help from Jason because Jason don't feel well. Jason's sinus are gone bad. So guys, that is it. Wanna think? Comment and let me know. Pause the video and comment how much you think everything come to. Alright, so the market stuff come up to $8,250. Yep. And now for the grocery, everything came to $43,165. Wait. I'm probably not gonna see, but yeah, $43,165. I'm not showing you something egg. I get some egg as well. Right there. I get some egg too. I get 1 tray of egg. So yeah, that is it. Cost of living is really high if you should ask me. It's really high. Hence why I'm not play about wasting food and why I always make the house run down because I always use every drop of the things them. But yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoy this little grocery haul. So this is really my December grocery and just a little topping up left for do. Like, you know, the cereal, the meat when I go cook and you know, so them they're further down in a Vlogmas because I have meat for season, I have so many things to do guys for vlog. Well, not really a lot, but I don't know how the whole works. But yeah, that's that. Tell me what you guys think. Is cost of living high? You think it reasonable? You think wanna think? Guys, ignore how me look. Me have to run come turn on back the camera because I never remember for showing the meat stuff. Not a lot, but yeah. So I did literally finish do everything, like pack up everything, wipe down the counter, turn off the light and gone around to go on my bed. And when me I lay down, I say, I don't remember showing Uno any fish. But the reason why it stick me because when I came home, I did want to cool off a little bit and then go bed and I never did want to have them the stuff they melt out. So I did put them in the freezer. Now, I'm just showing you same price, but I just never remember for showing you. So the same money what I mentioned earlier now. So yeah, some sliced fish. So the wholesale when I shop, you can go the back go order your meat, and I love that. Salt mackerel, franks. I get this so when the kids them come over, we can give them like hot dog and you know. And well, I not have to show you the chicken, but I have chicken too. The chicken not included. I don't normally buy chicken like that again. So I get them one here where we call them the one where you know give no whole heap of things. It's a part of the haul, but you know calculated in the price when I give on because I never buy it like from. But you get what me I say? So I love them chicken there because I don't love the chicken with them get the bag of things them. So yeah, never nothing much, but me just want to come show you what really make the money. You know, be where it be. You understand? So I can get a fair chance of saying, oh, it this or it reasonable or it too expensive or whatever the case is. See you guys in Vlogmas day.